In today's video, I'll teach you how to change currency in Hopper app. First of all, launch open Hopper application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, Hopper application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top left corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the profile icon. Simply tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the profile interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find the options like language, currency, help center, etc. Right over here in the currency, USD is selected. So if you want to change the currency, tap on the currency that is selected right now. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various currencies over here. What you have to do is tap on the currency that you want to change to. Now after you do that, you can see over here the currency has been changed. Now if you go back, you'll be able to see all the prices in the selected currency over here. So like this, you'll be able to change the currency in Hopper app. Thank you for watching.